Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 84. EODI. EODI. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is O, second syllable is D. Pronounce it with me. EODI. EODI. Now, what is the meaning of the word EODI? EODI is used to ask where, or it is used to ask for a certain place or location. Again, EODI means where. Now, how do we write EODI in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable O, we need to draw first a no sound or placeholder iyung. Just take note that PH there means placeholder. So that's placeholder iyung, and it is followed by an O character. For the second syllable D, we need to draw first a dikit character, and then we will need to draw an E character after it. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables so that we can write EODI in Hangul. And with that, you've just learned EODI. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 74 to 83. But don't forget our word for today, word number 84, EODI, and this is used to ask where. The first word for our review is word number 83, aka, and this is used to say a while ago today. Next word for our review is 지금, which means now. Next word for our review is word number 81, 어제, which means yesterday. Next word for our review is 내일, and this is used to say tomorrow. Next word for our review is 오늘, and this is used to say today. Next word is 일어나, and this is used to say wake up or get up. Next word for our review is 오다. This is a verb which means to come. Next word for our review is 언제, and this is used to ask when. Next word for our review is 누나. This is a term for older sister used by a younger brother. And the last word for our review is 언니. This is another term for older sister used by a younger sister. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.